The if function is one of the most widely used functions in Excel, especially in financial reporting. It is a fundamental tool that evaluates a condition and returns different results based on whether the condition is true or false. Let's demonstrate the importance of the if function in error handling using a simple dataset. Here we have columns for product, volume sold, and revenue. In another column, we want to calculate the selling price per unit by dividing revenue by volume. After applying the formula and copying it down, we notice a problem. If the volume is 0, Excel returns an error. To eliminate this error, we can use the if function. Follow these steps. Click on the formula bar and select if. A window will appear with 3 fields: logical test, or the condition Excel evaluates; value if true, or the result if the condition is met; value if false, or the result if the condition is not met. In the logical test box, click the volume in C5 and set the condition, C5 equals 0. In the value if true box, enter 0 so that the formula returns 0 instead of an error. In the value if false box, enter the formula to calculate the selling price, revenue in D5 divided by the volume in C5. Press enter and copy the formula down. The error is now gone. Another way to apply the if function is by typing it manually. Type the equal sign and if and press tab to activate the function. Enter the logical test C5 equals 0. Type a comma and enter the value to display if the logical test is true, which is 0. Put another comma and type what to do if false. You want to get the unit price, so go to revenue or type D5 divided by the volume in cell C5. Press enter and the result will be the same. Copy the formula down to apply it to all rows. The if function is incredibly useful for handling errors, automating decision making, and improving data accuracy. At its core, it follows a simple structure: set a logical test, define what to do if true, define what to do if false. By mastering the if function, you can make your Excel reports more reliable and efficient. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos.